Okay, a little update for you about the RS2. A lot of people in the UK were complaining about the lack of UK and not being able to add UK or EU mode into the radio. So now, this is just a pre-look, it's not ready yet, so don't go asking dealers about it because it will be dealer resolved, this matter. You won't do it yourself because, like me, you'll probably make a good attempt to brick in the radio. But you see the bands, we're in 10-meter mode, and so without modifying it, you don't modify the radio. You have 2 extra bands slotted in at the end whilst it's in 10-meter mode. You have EU, so that's AM, FM, SSB, and you also have a UK band 1 to 40, and that's not in export mode, that's in standard ham mode, so you don't need to go in the radio to cut it. So if you only want to use it on UK or EU, there's that. And also it's being discussed that there'll be a possibility to directly input the UK channels on either a band A or F. That's still being done at the moment. I'll be back in a little while to let you know more about it, and in the meantime, I think it's this one, I'm not sure. They're also no, maybe not, it doesn't work. There's also other upgrades being looked at the moment around the S meter and other matters, so we just have to wait. I know that's the hardest part for all of this stuff, is the wait, but you best wait and see what they come up with, and I'll be back in a little while and let you know what else has been changed.